Hi, it's Marie McGrath here. I'm just going to show you how to finish off one of the Nordic Gnomes from this month's tutorial in Cake Decoration and Sugarcraft magazine. So here already we've got the cone of sugar paste with the little feet added at the bottom, and I put some dots on to decorate this body. So next I'm going to add the plaits. So I've made these already. And you can see at the bottom, I've just used the Dresden tool to make this pattern as if it's the bottom of the plaits. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue onto the back of the plaits and put those in place. And for these, we're going to have them hanging down off the bottom. Really long plaits for these. A little bit of glue on this one. And stick that one on the other side. And then in the middle of these plaits, we're going to add the chunky nose. So a little bit of glue at the top. And this is just a ball of peach sugar paste rolled into a ball and then into a tiny sausage tic-tac type shape. So that's going to go at the top there. So it looks very odd at the moment, doesn't it? And these gnomes don't actually have a head attached to them. They just have this very long hat. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Trex vegetable fat into the green sugar paste that I've chosen for the hat, just to knead that in so we don't get any cracks. And then I'm going to roll it into a smooth ball and then elongate this by rolling on one side of the ball. You can see we're starting to get a cone shape. So roll, keep rolling. I want this one quite narrow at the top because we're going to twist it. Okay, so that's the shape we're starting with. And then at the fat end, I'm going to push my thumb into the paste and with my finger just gradually pull out the paste to start making this well that's going to sit on top of the body. So keep working round, thin it out a little bit. And then when we've got a decent amount of paste pulled out, we're then going to pull gently on either side of it to create these kind of long flaps at the side that would cover the ears. So on both sides, just keep working the paste little bit by little. So now we've got this shape with two flaps at the side. And if I bring the model back in again, some glue on the inside of the hat. Pop that on the top, making sure that we can still see the nose there and secure it. And if I just tip the camera a little bit, I'm going to twist this one at the top to make it a different shape. So it's different to all the others. Then I'm going to add, just for a little bit of extra detail, a flower just at the side of her hat there, so a red flower, and then a little ball of white for the centre, just to tie it all in. And there we have one of our gnomes.